Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to JBL Tune 510BT. These are Bluetooth headphones with up to 40 hours of battery runtime. It's a microphone for a car. It's foldable and comfortable Android and iOS compatible headset in black. It's also on the market available in blue or in rosé or in white. You can choose by this colors as you like. If the headset is too tight, of course, you should suggest placing them over a ball or something of similar size shape. Will leave undisturbed for at least 24 hours. We repeat it necessary. And then we try the length adjustment of the either earpiece and until the both sides best fits for us. You see, you can adjust it as you like it. This wireless headphones features the renowned JBL Pure Bass sound, which can be found in the most famous venues all around the world. And we have wireless Bluetooth. This means this stream wireless device headphones comes from the device and can even switch between two devices so we don't miss a call, for example. And up to 40 hours of battery time. With beat charge on top for long-lasting fun. We listen wirelessly for up to 40 hours and recharge the battery in a little as 2 hours. With the Infinity Type-C USB cable. A quick 5-minute recharge gives us 2 additional hours of music enjoyment. And we can recharge this device by using our laptop, personal computer, power pack, power bank, or AC adapter. And this is a microphone and ear cap for hand-free calls. An easy controller sound and manage our calls from our headphone with the convenient buttons on the rear cup. And we can ask Siri or Hey Google if we like. The Siri or Hey Google is just a button away. We activate the voice assistant on our device by pushing the multifunction button. And featuring an adjustable headband, the Tune 510 both BT are designed to fit nearly any head size comfortably. For over 75 years, JBL has helped people own their sound with a headphone, speakers, and audio gear designed around their expression. From the history-making stage of Woodstock, of the thrilling spots of stadiums, music venues, and movie theaters, they visit us today. The JBL amplifier, truly unforgettable experience. Booming bass, rich detail, and the freedom to feel the moment wherever we are. This brings us to JBL Tune 510BT. These headphones let us stream powerful JBL Pure Bass sound with no string attached. Easy to use with up to 40 hours of battery life and speed charge. They're super lightweight and comfortable. We grab them and fill as they with the music. That means listen longer. Up to 40 hours battery life and speed charge, 5 minutes to hours possible. For long-lasting fun, listen wireless for 40 hours and recharge the battery in only 2 hours with a convenient Type-C USB cable. A quick 5-minute charge gives us 2 additional hours of music. That's cool. And JBL Pure Bass sound means these wireless headphones features the renowned JBL Pure Bass sound, which can be found in the most famous venues all around the world. The wireless stream this high-quality sound from a smartphone without mathy cords. And that's a big, nice fact, because we does not need any kind of wire with that. Only for recharging, of course. That means the JBL here comes to us in a good dimension, and we can use it over ear. We can use it easy peasy on ear. We have a pure bass wireless sound. We can have a compatibility with you Bluetooth. That means a big bunch of possibility here. And then 5 minutes for 2 hours of charge, or 5 minute charge, 2 hours of join. That's cool. And that's easy. That's the JBL Tune 510 BT. Bluetooth headphones with up to 40 hours of battery runtime. A microphone for calls included. It's foldable and comfortable at the same time. It's for Android and for iOS devices. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.